too. Roscoe, you're handsome too. We just came back in. I'm trying to start a new series of Roscoe and Bella's Puppy Adventures. Hey, that was a crazy thing you just did. Look at ya. Okay. But that is on the police body cameras that we were able to get. But only one of them will show you the video while you're taking it. So it works okay, but I gotta wait till I get this device where I can plug it in my computer and I can add the videos to maybe a new puppy channel for Roscoe and Bella. Okay, ready guys? Ready. Roscoe Howl. No, not me. Can you do the howl? Come on. Just a howl. You don't have to bark. Can you do the howl? Yeah, well, just do the howl. Like when the ambulance comes. Oh, he's like, what did that do? That was a good one. Yeah. Good boy. Good boy. Ready? Good boy. Good boy. Ready? Good boy. I love you. You usually just howl.